Hello friends, my name is Chinmay Deshpande. In this video session, we are going to discuss about a topic from energy control. The name of the topic is energy banking. Already we have gone through the types of interchange, out of which we are looking for a topic energy banking. Shortly we can say deposited in the bank and withdrawn when needed. Let's have a detailed discussion about energy banking. The concept of energy banking is where two utilities or discoms enter into an energy exchange agreement that depends upon whether the surplus amount of a power is available or not, or is there any deficiency in the power portfolio of their respective states. Energy banking agreements usually occur when predominantly hydro system is interconnected to predominantly thermal system. So keep in mind, this is the very important key point when this energy banking takes place. One should be hydro system and other should be thermal system. Now let's see, there are two utilities, utility A and utility B. Suppose utility A is predominantly hydro system and utility B is predominantly thermal system. Now when the power exchange will takes place, whenever the runoff is high. Now runoff is nothing but what? It is the flow of a water. Whenever the water flows on the blades of a turbine, then the blades of a turbine will rotate and it will start generating electricity through a generator. So whenever the runoff is high, what happens? This utility A is the hydro system and therefore more amount of a power will be produced. There will be some kind of spare amount of a power which can be sold to the utility B. And whenever there is a low runoff, that is speed of a water which falls on the blade, if it is low, then there will be a requirement of a power for utility A. A would face some kind of a shortage of a power which can be buy from utility B. The prices for such arrangements are usually set by negotiations between the specific systems which are involved in the agreement. So let's see, this is a utility A which is predominantly hydro system. This is utility B which is predominantly a thermal system, which are interconnected with each other. And whenever there will be exchange of a power between these two kind of systems, then the agreement is nothing but energy banking. Let utility A, here already we have seen hydro system A and predominantly thermal system is a B. Now instead of accounting for the interchange and charging each other for the transaction on the basis of R by R calculation and operating cost, it is common practice in some areas for the utilities to agree to a banking arrangement. Energy banking is the method for energy accounting which does not require any buy and sell agreement. One of the system acts as a bank and other acts as a depositor. You take a simple analogy of bank and a depositor. Now depositor, if I have a money, then I will deposit it in a bank, and whenever it is required, I will take out it from the bank. So such kind of agreement is possible in case of energy or power also. Let's say, suppose depositor, say here A, can deposit the energy whenever it has some kind of excess amount of power with a B. When the system A faces a shortage of energy, system A will withdraw the energy from B up to the amount it had deposited. Moreover, the role of the bank and the depositor can also be reversed. Roles are reversed as a function of a time of the year, at which period of a time the load will be more on a hydro kind of station or on a thermal station. It would simply withdraw the energy up to megawatt hour it had in the account with the other system. Which system is banker or which system act as a depositor, that will depend on the exchange contract which is developed in between them. During the high runoff period, system A acts as a depositor and B acts as a bank. During the period of low runoff, the system A, which is predominantly hydro, will withdraw the energy it had deposited with a system B. Sometimes B may deposit energy with A and withdraw it later. Now here B acts as a depositor and A acts as a bank. So this is the concept of energy banking. Thank you for watching this video.